Ferrari has made a groundbreaking move with the introduction of two new models, the SF90 XX Stradale and SF90 XX Spider. These vehicles stand out from their predecessors as they are not solely track-focused, but can also be enjoyed on public roads. Limited in numbers, with only 799 hardtops and 599 droptops being produced, these models offer exceptional power and performance to fortunate customers. Both the SF90 XX Stradale and SF90 XX Spider feature a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine, assisted by 3 electric motors. With a combined power output of a staggering 1,016 horsepower, these models surpass the standard SF90 Stradale's 986 horsepower. The V8 engine in the SF90 XX Stradale alone generates an impressive 786 horsepower, thanks to advancements such as new pistons, precise combustion chamber machining, and polished inlet and exhaust ducts. Additionally, the intake plenum tube has been positioned closer to the cabin bulkhead to amplify the engine's sound inside the car. Notably, the secondary air system has been eliminated, shedding 7.72 pounds of weight. The electric motors have also received an upgrade, now producing a combined output of 229 horsepower. The battery capacity remains at 7.9 kilowatt hours, providing an electric-only range of 15.53 miles and a top speed of 84 miles per hour. In qualifying driving mode, the SF90 XX benefits from an extra boost function from the electric motors, delivering increased power when exiting corners and reducing lap times by 0.25 seconds on the Fiorano circuit. The battery can supply up to 30 of these power boosts. Both models boast an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, with revised software that adds a distinctive gear change noise resembling the high-rev exhaust note. Acceleration is awe-inspiring, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 2.3 seconds and a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Ferrari has not neglected the important aspect of braking performance. The SF90 XX Stradale features redesigned front calipers with improved cooling, and the rear rotors have been enlarged to 390 millimeters. The integration of an ABS Evo controller working alongside a 6 WCDS sensor ensures precise braking distribution based on vehicle speed. In terms of design, the SF90 XX Stradale has received aggressive styling enhancements, including a larger front splitter to enhance airflow underneath the car. The overall aerodynamic modifications produce over 99 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour, surpassing the regular model. Additional aero elements, such as ducts on the nose, gills on the fenders, and inlets on the engine cover, contribute to improved performance and visual appeal. The interior changes are subtle but refined, featuring an Alcantara dashboard, carbon fiber trim, and an optimized gear shift selector position. The seats, although appearing as a single-piece design, offer adjustable backrest through elastic trim connections. For those seeking open-top excitement, the SF90 XX Spider provides an exhilarating driving experience. Retaining most of the SF90 XX Stradale's features, the Spider variant adds the convenience of a retractable roof, which can be operated in just 14 seconds. In summary, Ferrari's SF90 XX Stradale and SF90 XX Spider models redefine the boundaries of road-going performance. With their exceptional powertrain, remarkable acceleration, enhanced braking, and aerodynamic improvements, these limited production vehicles offer a truly exhilarating driving experience. Coupled with their exquisite design and meticulous attention to detail, the SF90 XX Stradale and SF90 XX Spider are set to captivate automotive enthusiasts and establish new benchmarks in the world of supercars.